This is the Merrill BBD75FA 3/4 inch brass valve. Now it will come with the handle, and we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of it, but a couple things to notice is that handle there, and then you've got the packing nut here, of course the spout, and then down here at those female threads, and then that hexed portion there at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements. We'll get a total height. Just measure from the bottom of the valve to the top of the handle. Kind of an awkward measurement, but it measures right at about 3 1/4 inches. Then we can also measure just the length of the spout, which measures right at 1 inch at the last thread, and then get an outer diameter down here at that hex side, and that'll measure right at 1 1/4 inches on that outer diameter, and then an inner diameter at the threads, measure right at 1 inch. So once again, this is the Merrill BBD75FA 3/4 inch brass valve.